Is your Nissan Altima key fob from 2013 to 2022 models not working even after opening the case? A dead battery is the most common culprit, accounting for over 70% of issues. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery to transmit radio frequency signals to your car's computer. First, confirm the battery is the problem. Symptoms include the car not responding to button presses from a short distance and the key light displaying in the car. Before replacing the battery, make sure it is installed the right way. If the remote still isn't working, it often indicates a reprogramming need or internal circuit failure. In humid climates, check for corrosion. Clean with isopropyl alcohol if necessary. Replacing the battery is a straightforward DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or key. Start by prying open the key fob case. Models from 2013 to 15 typically have a friction fit, while 2016-2022 often feature a release button. Once open, carefully remove the old battery. Replace it with the new CR2032, ensuring the positive side is facing up. After reassembling the fob, test its functionality from about 10 to 15 feet away from your vehicle. If it remains unresponsive, reprogramming might be necessary, often requiring a visit to a Nissan dealer. If problems persist, there may be an issue with water damage or the key fob itself.